Hello students, today we will discuss about vertically opposite angles. What are vertically opposite angles? You already know about intersecting lines. When any two lines intersect each other at one point, then the angles formed, then a pair of angles is formed. Let this angle is 1 and this is angle 2. Then this pair of angles is known as vertically opposite angles because these are opposite angles, opposite to each other. These angles are opposite to each other, so these angles are known as vertical opposite angles. This is one pair and this is another pair. These are also vertical opposite angles. For example, here two sticks are intersecting each other. Here two sticks are intersecting each other at this point, and the angles formed are angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. And vertical opposite angles are, there are two pairs of vertical opposite angles. These are angle 1, angle 3. It is one pair, and second pair is angle 2 and angle 4. First pair is angle 1, angle 3 and second pair is angle 2 and angle 4. These pairs of angles are called vertically opposite angles. These angles are formed when the lines are intersecting at one point. Only then these angles are formed. This is definition of vertically opposite angles, and there is a relation between vertical opposite angles, and the relation is that they are equal. When two lines intersect, the vertically opposite angles so formed are equal. That is, in this example, in this figure, AB is a line and CD is a line, and these lines are intersecting each other at point O, and the vertical opposite angles are angle AOD and angle BOC. This is one pair, and these angles are equal. Angle AOD is equal to angle BOC, and angle BOD, this angle, and angle AOC are also equal. This is the relation between vertically opposite angles. Next is example related to vertical opposite angles. Which angle is vertically opposite to, in first figure, angle 1? We have to tell which angle is opposite to angle 1. In this figure, we have to tell which angle is opposite to angle 1. Which angle is vertical opposite to angle 1? Angle 3 is vertical opposite to angle 1 because these are vertical opposite angles. Okay. And in second figure, in B figure, which angle is vertically opposite to angle U? Its opposite angle is angle W. So this is answer, that angle vertically opposite to angle U is equal to angle W. In third figure, which angle is vertically opposite to angle 2? There is angle 4 that is vertically opposite to angle 2. Next example is, in each of the adjacent figures, find the measure of the missing angle. Missing angle, that means where there is question mark, we have to find that angle. In this figure, we are given angle AOB, and we can see that angle AOB and angle COD are forming vertically opposite angles, are forming a pair of vertically opposite angles. So these angles are equal. These angles are equal. So angle COD is also 70 degree. We know that angle AOB and angle COD form a pair of vertically opposite angles. So angle AOB is equal to angle COD. Both are equal. And angle AOB is given that it is 70 degree. Therefore, angle COD is also 70 degree. Similarly, you can also do part B and part C. These are same as part A. And these are vertically opposite angles. Its definition is When two lines intersect each other at one point, then the pair of angles formed are known as vertically opposite angles. This is its definition, and you will practice its examples, this example and this example. Next examples we will do tomorrow. Thank you.